Do you have hiccups? Oh, you're growing. Are you growing?
Pretend.
Pretend. Well, no. Hiccup. What is that you got?
Hiccup.
Yeah?
Hiccup.
Yeah. That means you're growing, right?
Do not
My mom used to say you get hiccups means you're
Do not
growing.
fall hiccup emote.
No, don't hiccup on a remote, silly boy. Silly boy.
Almost done.
Yeah, hey, JJ, what do you want to do tomorrow, buddy? What do you want to do tomorrow? Huh? What do you want to do tomorrow? Huh? What do you want to do tomorrow?
Emote don't fly.
No, remote don't fly. Is there anything special you want to do tomorrow? Tomorrow's Saturday. What do you want to do? Huh? We're going to have some time with us, you and me? Huh? JJ. Hiccup. It's hiccuping. Yeah.
Do not hiccup emote.
Yeah. Hey, what are we going to do tomorrow? What do you want to do tomorrow, JJ? JJ, look at me. Buddy, look at me. What do you want to do tomorrow?
Cookie.
You want a cookie? Right now, you mean?
Yes.
But what are we going to do tomorrow? Huh?
Go to the park.
Go to the park. Okay. You going to swing? You love to swing, huh? What are you going to do? You going to swing? JJ, look at me. Are you going to swing tomorrow?
Yes.
Yes. Is your swing broken? JJ's swing? Is it broken?
Yes.
Yeah. Got to fix it, huh? Got to try to fix it, yes? Yeah, we'll get it fixed for you, okay? So you can swing. We'll do our best to get it fixed as soon as we can.
Not fly emote.
Hey, where'd the hiccups go? JJ, do you still have hiccups? JJ, let me see your hiccups. Where'd the hiccups go?
Hiccup.
Are they gone?
Down.
Gone, yeah. All right. You're funny.
Come remote.
You and your remote. You and your remote. What is it with that remote? Huh?
Don't for the emote.
You what?
Don't for.
No. You're a silly guy. You are a silly guy.